Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety. I'm sick of this society, they make us feel a rivalry. Compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time. Something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. I'm so lost inside, and I need a little time to find who I am in this life. I will find a way to feel alive. I'm so lost inside. You better watch out now, I figured something out, what this whole life's about, yeah. It's not the goal, it's the journey, wasted emotion is worry. I'll stop being in a hurry, and I'll just enjoy what I'm doing. Keep pushing forward and moving, appreciate the improvement, yeah. I was so stuck on a goal, was losing sight of my soul. Need to enjoy getting old and be so present. I don't know if there's a heaven, but I know I wanna get in. And sometimes I feel a presence, energy in a direction, so I follow intuition. It took me to a musician, now I'm on a different mission, to help others with afflictions. Now I'm not lost inside, I finally have seemed to find who I am in this life, and I found a way to feel alive. I'm not lost inside, I finally have seemed to find who I am in this life, and I found a way to feel alive. Feel alive.
We got a problem in America, too many people dying, yeah, but we don't really care enough. Addiction through the roof, but we're too caught up in hysteria. Too busy on our phones to see the problems in our area. Man, I don't wanna preach, but everything's been getting scarier. It's easy to ignore a problem till they gotta bury ya. Big pharma's getting rich, they probably thinking it's hilarious, while people out are dying, man, it's feeling so nefarious. Been through it all myself, I wouldn't wish that on nobody else. Every day was hell, but I was lucky that I found help. But most don't get a chance to overcome it and escape, and some just ending up beside a grave. Some just swallow pain and keep on carrying that burden inside them, and they don't wanna let their family down. They suffer in silence until their mental health's declining, but they gotta keep climbing. I'm writing this for ones that won't let all the problems define them. So can I get my soul back? I'm sick of being someone I don't wanna be, cause I've been such a letdown. I let all my friends down. I just want a way out of my darkest days. I just wanna know when all of my pain will just be over. Till then I just wanna be sober.
I need something to get me out of this reality. Feels like a dream, no, a nightmare drowning me. I look around and feel like everyone's surrounding me, doubting me. Anxiety is peaking, heart is pounding, please. I need a change in my life, from pain and the strife. It's draining me, yeah, I could blame my own life.